Hi, I'm Tom from DYMO, and today I'm going to show you some tips and some tricks on how to care for your LabelWriter printer. If your printer is printing incorrectly, the first thing you want to make sure of is that it's the correct label type and size that's chosen on your DYMO label software. Now I'm going to show you how to care for your printer. If your printer is printing excessive blank labels, the first thing you want to do is lift the cover off of the printer. Then, tear off any excess labels. Press the backwards feed button to remove the labels from the printhead. Then, unplug the printer. Remove the spool from the cover of the printer. And make sure that the label roll is rolled nice and tightly. And then make sure that the right disc is pressed tightly against the roll. It should make some kind of a clicking sound with the spool. Then you want to place the spool back into the printer cover, plug the printer back in. Now load the labels back into the printer, making sure that they are completely left justified. If your printer has a label guide, you want to move it to the far left, making sure that the labels are held tightly in place. You may need to press the forward feed button to advance the labels. Then, just close the cover and you're done.